how to archive WhatsApp chat and then unarchive later on. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application WhatsApp and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, tap and hold the inbox of the person that you want to archive. And then at the top right, you'll find the archive icon. Click on it. Well, the chat of this person has been archived successfully. This way you'll be able to archive any of the chat that you want. Now if you want to unarchive, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. The option of archive will be visible to you. Click on it. Well, it will show you the inbox of the person that you have archived. In order to unarchive, all you want to do is tap and hold the inbox and then click on this icon. Now if you slide all the way up, you'll be able to see that the chat has been unarchived. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to archive WhatsApp chat and then unarchive later on. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.